welcome back to my channel MATLAB class. So today I would like to post one more project video in the field of digital image processing. Now just click on this run button. It will open one graphical user interface. So this one is a simple project in which we are going to pre-process all kind of mammogram images, in which we are going to remove the noise which is present in mammogram images, as well as we are going to remove the various written artifacts which is present in the mammogram images. Now we are going for a demo. So just click on the select image. It will open current directory, and you have to choose one noisy mammogram image from the input database. Just click on open. That image will be displayed over the axis. It consists of various noises and the artifacts. So our aim is to remove such kind of all noise as well as these written artifacts. Now we having two filters. First is adaptive mid-range filter and second is low pass filter. Now we are going to choose a filter mask which having size 3 by 3. So you have to enter here 3 and just select the first filter, that is adaptive mid-range filter. So this is the noise removed image or filtered image. So in next process we are going to remove these written artifacts with the help of artifacts remove button. So just click on artifacts remove button. It will remove the various artifacts from the image, from the filtered image. Yes, so all kind of artifacts are removed from the mammogram image. We can save this image by giving any name to the image. So I'm replacing image with the name ARN. On save, you have to replace that image. Yes, and just click on clear all. Once again we are going to process same image with a different filter. Just click on open. Now just select a 3 by 3 mask and select low pass filter. So just click on low pass filter. It will filter out given image. So this is the filtered image with the help of low pass filter, and we are going for second button, that is artifact remove button. So just click on artifacts remove button. It will remove all kind of artifacts which is present in the filtered image. So this one is the artifact removed image. We can save this image. So with the help of this low pass filter we can't get 100% of accuracy. So we have to go for, that is first filter, that is adaptive mid-range filter. So just check it out. This image consists of different type of noise in small context. Now just click on adaptive mid-range filter. So all kind of noises are removed from the mammogram images, and just click on artifacts remove button. It will remove all kind of artifacts from the input image, from filtered image. The process is still going on. So artifacts are removed from the filtered image. So this is all about pre-processing of mammogram image, in which we have covered how to filter out the mammogram image as well as how to remove all kind of written artifacts from the mammogram image. So just click on clear all and just close this graphical user interface. If you want such kind of more videos in the field of digital image processing, then just go to my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel, like my all the videos and share my all the videos. Thank you so much.